De La Salle Green Archers for beating the UST Growling Tigers 86-77. The Green Archers are now at 5-3. We have Coach Topex Robinson, EJ Goliena, and JC Macalala. Coach, congratulations for this third straight win. You had a strong first half. You led by as much as 22 points, so probably it's your best first half of the season, and you ended up the comeback of UST. So what can you say about your team's effort tonight?
Well, obviously we know how strong UST is right now. They really are playing tremendous basketball together. So we just made sure that we're gonna be coming in confident, knowing that we prepared for whatever it is that UST will throw at us. And I guess also we've been losing players. Still, that's one of our drives going into these games. And also right now, coming to this game, we offered this game to one of our managers, Mr. Fred Yuson, who's sick right now, and he hasn't really been showing up. So we just kind of talk about it, how we are playing for each other and playing for our school, and then we know how crazy or loud that UST crowd will always be. So we made sure we kind of quiet them a bit. They had some runs in the second half. They made the right adjustments, but these guys just kept showing up, fixing whatever it is that we need to work on in-game situations.
Thank you to EJ. You had 8 points, including the corner 3 in the final 39.1 seconds, and 4 rebounds. So yun, mahabol yung UST. And then yung dagger 3. So ano masasabi mo na yun ang nagpa-apula sa rally ng UST, yung 3 sa corner?
Well, para sa akin po siguro sinusuklihan ko lang yung trust na binibigay sa akin ng coaches, ng team, ng management. Always be prepared. Lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin. Simula ng first year ko dito, lagi lang sinasabi sa akin, maganda lang po ako. And I guess it's one of those games na libre ako, and sabi naman ng coaches, if you're open, just shoot. And siguro, yun lang yung tatakbo sa utak ko, to repay their trust and be ready for any possible moment, and yun, pumasok po.
Thank you. To JC, you had 18 points, including 14 in the first half, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 1 steal. So, yun nga, yung first half nyo, maganda. Although nakalapit yung UST second half, you're able to pull this win. So, ano masasabi mo sa pinakita ng team?
Unang-una masaya ako dahil nagpakita lahat, nag-step up lahat kami sa team. And nag-work talaga together. And kitang-kita naman sa preparation namin heading into this game, na yung intensity, yung focus during trainings nandun. So, alam mo yun, sobrang masarap na sa pakiramdam na yung mga kasama mo heading into this game prepared and willing ibigay lahat ng kaya nila. So, I think yun yung one of the factor kaya maganda yung start namin the first half and sustain namin yung lead into the second half.